How to remove malware and viruses from your Android phone. Is your phone suddenly lagging, showing weird pop-ups, or draining battery faster than usual? These are classic signs of a malware infection. Your Android phone contains your entire digital life, so keeping it clean is essential for your privacy and security. Today, I'm going to show you a professional, step-by-step method to identify and wipe out malicious software without losing your data. First, let's use the tools already built into your phone. Open the Google Play Store, tap your profile icon in the top right, and select Play Protect. Tap Scan to let Google check all your installed apps for known threats. If it finds something, follow the prompts to remove it immediately. If the problem persists, you need to go manual. Hold your phone's power button until the power menu appears, then long press the power off or restart icon on the screen until you see an option for safe mode. Once you reboot into safe mode, third-party apps are disabled, stopping the malware from running. Now go to Settings, then Apps, and look for anything you don't recognize or that has no icon/name. Tap it and select Uninstall. If the Uninstall button is grayed out, go to Settings, Security, Device Admin Apps, and toggle off any suspicious apps listed there, then try uninstalling again. Here is an expert pro tip. After you've removed the suspicious app, go to your browser settings, like Chrome, and select Clear Browsing Data. Many modern viruses on Android are actually just malicious site notifications or hijacked cache files that will keep sending you fake alerts even after the app is gone. By following these steps, you've just reclaimed your device's speed and security. If this helped you fix your phone, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more essential tech rescues. Have you ever accidentally downloaded a sketchy app? Tell us your story in the comments so others can stay safe.